What's up, guys? I'm Al with Edge Autosport here with the daily dad mobile. And for those of you that watched the first video that I did where I showed getting this and getting a baseline, I mentioned that I wanted to get the Dyno Spectrum tuning software for it, and that was my really main purpose for picking up this car. Mostly I love this car. It's an awesome, I love the RS3. I've wanted one ever since I had my S3. Getting to play with something new like Dyno Spectrum seemed like a lot of fun, and I just wanted to start wrapping my brain around a different tuning platform, as mostly I just use COP. So, Daily Dad Mobile, I got my hands on a DS1 from Dyno Spectrum, and I've already been playing with the tune on the dyno just off camera as I've been kind of getting used to it, and have made really good progress so far, as I've already been able to get some decent gains with just completely stock 91 octane tuning. And along with my DS1, I picked up a Silly Rabbit Motorsport Flex Fuel kit from EQT, and I have installed that today as I had a little bit of time on my hands, and it was surprisingly easy install. But I now cannot wait to get this back on the dyno and start throwing some corn at it. And so you guys should stay tuned to our YouTube channel, because there will be some more Audi content coming up in the near future, where we get this thing back on the dyno and continue playing with the tune, continue playing with some ethanol. But yeah, love this kit. I love the DS1 and how it integrates the flex fuel sensor, because what we have is the flex fuel sensor goes, the harness goes through here and then through the firewall. We've got it grounded in the engine bay, and then you got power from this fuse box under the steering column, and we have a signal wire going into the OBD2 port, and then the DS1, when it's plugged in, will integrate that through the CAN network and allow us to see flex fuel on the dash. So you guys can hop in the back and I'll show you that real quick. Alright, so as you can see right here on the power and torque gauge, Dyno Spectrum hacks this so it can show different things, and right now the power is ethanol, so we're at 9%, somewhere between 9 and 10% ethanol content, and that's how I know it works, because up until now it's just read 0, as there's not been any ethanol content in there, and the tune is set up for flex fuel, so it's already flexing. And all I really got to do now is put ethanol in it, but I want to do a video going over the 91 tune, and so that'll be what we do next. So make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're interested in more Audi content, and there will be more tuning related stuff coming out for this car soon. And then after that, we will start throwing some modifications at it, I guess. We've got a couple of parts that I plan to order here soon to put on it, and see if we can't stretch the legs of the factory turbo at our high elevation. Anyways, that takes care of this quick little video. Hope to see you guys on our YouTube channel or on Facebook. Message us if you have any questions. You can email tuning@edgeautosport.com, and we'll be happy to get you taken care of.